All right, I'm gonna make this a little smaller because I'm gonna need some space to write this out. So we're asked to write the equation of the line that looks like this: y equals mx plus b. And we're also going to need to know the point slope form because they've given us 2 points. And then we also need to know how to calculate the slope given 2 points, which is y equals mx, or I'm sorry, m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Do you guys remember when we were doing these in class and I said write it down? And you're like, why do I got to write it down? I said, are you going to remember how to do this a couple months from now? And you guys were like, no. Do you remember it? Yeah, you're welcome. It's like I taught you it or something. Anyways, we're going to label this as x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So the first thing I had to do is find the slope. So I'm going to say that m, my slope, is equal to y sub 2, which is negative 3, minus y sub 1, which is positive 1, all over x sub 2, which is 0, minus x sub 1, which is minus 3. Well, negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. 0 minus minus 3 is the same as plus 3. So I've got a slope of negative 4 over positive 3. So now I'm going to do my point slope form where I say y minus y sub 1, which is 1, is equal to my slope m, negative 4 thirds, times x minus x sub 1, which is minus 3. When you minus a minus, it becomes a plus. So I've got y minus 1 is equal to, I'm going to distribute that through the parentheses, negative 4 thirds x plus negative 4 times 3 all over 3. The 3's cancel. Okay? The 3's cancel. And guess what? I'm left with y minus 1 equals negative 4 thirds times x minus 4. I'm going to add 1 to both sides. And I get y equals negative 4 thirds x minus 3. Which one is that? B. And you're thinking, Mr. Adams, you're going too fast. I can't read it. There you go. I'll zoom out. Let me double check my cheat sheet. Make sure I didn't make a mistake. Yeah, right. Just because I skipped one example problem. All right. I'll leave that up there for you guys to write that down.